I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents, and this is Unit 104 in the Edge building on the Rockhampton riverfront. This dual key unit with its large expansive balcony is a great investment opportunity. Come and have a look. Flexibility at its heart, this generously proportioned dual key apartment offers a fantastic and flexible return to its owner. Either rent it out as a one-bedroom on this side or the studio on side B, which means this unit can accommodate both small and big groups. Another plus is the huge balcony overlooking the Rockhampton riverfront, making this apartment truly unique within the building. If you are looking for a fantastic investment return on the Rockhampton riverfront, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts at McGrath Estate Agents.